Hi Virgos, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Virgos. For your general energies, career situation, and relationship, Virgos, we'll be picking cards. So, first for your general energies, guys, then I'll be picking more cards for your relationship and then your career situation, guys. So, these are the cards for your career situation, guys. And one card from the Crystal Oracle. So, that will be your guidance. That is a general guidance, guys. What we can follow every day to make things go in a better way, guys. Or it may answer some questions you have in your situation, guys. So, it's Star, Six of Wands in reverse, and Eight of Cups. Virgos. So, in your situation, Virgos, you want to, walk away from some circumstance or people or your situation, something, because you have some dreams or you have some aspirations for something. You're focused on something else now, guys. So, or you want to change your focus to something else, and you are a person who is looking for that right opportunity, maybe in your career or in your personal life, to make some important decisions today. So maybe for some of you this may be the right time for your future or whatever you have. Maybe in your situation you have some hope about something in your future, and you are trying to create that path to be that in your future. So you are focusing your attention on something today, guys. So this may be something you do in your career situation. Maybe you want to attain something and you are seeing the right way to proceed towards that dreams or goals or whatever it is. And I also see that you are quite worried about your situation. So it may be because of people in your situation, or it may be because of how things are going today for you. So some apprehensions or worries, that is also what I see, guys, Virgos, in your situation. And maybe for some of you, certain things may come to you before the expected timeline. So, certain things, maybe some projects or some completion, whatever it is coming before the expected timeline, or some people. So, unexpected visitors, something simply taking you by surprise. So, that is what I see with these cards, guys, for your general energies. So let's see what are the cards for your relationship. We have Ace of Wands in reverse, the World, and Queen of Wands. So in your situation, guys, in your relationship, this may be what you feel about this person or what they feel about you. So you have that peace of mind, satisfaction, completion in your relationship. So the way this connection is going, you are devoted to this person the same way they are devoted to you, and they are very attractive. You both have that cheerful romantic relationship, lively romantic relationship with each other. And in this connection, you feel that you are able to handle any situation. You will be able to handle any situation because you are very confident about this love you both share between each other. So there is mutual respect, caring, and relationship mutual love, respect, and caring in this relationship, guys. Virgos. And I also see that maybe for some of you, you may be planning to have a child, start a family with this person. So things are going in a very positive way for you all in this connection, in this love. So that is what I see with these cards, guys. Let's see what are the cards for your career situation, Virgos. It's Temperance, Queen of Cups in reverse, and the Chariot. So in your career situation, guys, you are trying to find the balance in your situation, maybe balancing in your work. So whatever needs to be done, you are able to do it. Maybe certain things are may not go up to expectations, but still you are having that faith in your future, and you have learned so much from your past. You are healing from your past. So whatever was not working for you, you are trying to take that learning and move forward in life, find that balance in your situation, and you are healing in your career situation. So whatever whatever was not working for you, you are moving forward and triumph over obstacles. That is also what I see, guys, today for you. And you are in a victorious path today, Virgos. And maybe certain things may not go right for you. You may see some obstacles. Some things may not go as you have wished for. There may be few troubles in your work situation. Some projects may get delayed, some obstacles, but whatever it is, you are simply moving forward in a positive way, overcoming all the obstacles. That is what I see with these cards, guys. So let's see what is your crystal guidance, crystal spirits. It's pyrite. So this may be the crystal for you for today, guys, Virgos. So this just means that you have to know your worth, what is there in you. So it is in your relationship or in your career situation. You have to first understand yourself. So when you understand yourself, you will know what you are and what is your value. And that way, when you are in a connection with the person, you will know how to be in that connection and whether that connection means something to you. So you will understand that. And the same way in your career situation also, guys. If you know your value, if you work truly, knowing your motives, whatever you have for yourself, you will be able to succeed in life, guys. So whatever your goals are, whatever you have, and how you are putting that into your efforts in work, and what is the outcome. So you will know the true value of your work if you know your worth. So that is the energy with this card, guys. So I hope this reading resonates. And this crystal is a magnet for prosperity. So I feel you are attracting prosperity today, Virgos. That is the energy with this card, and that is the reading, guys, for you all today. Thank you for watching. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, Virgos.